Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you one effective and excellent remedy, that is banana facial. So as you all know guys, banana will help, it is having magnesium that will help in increasing the amount of collagen in human skin. Collagen is a type of protein production by the skin cells and helps in soften the skin and remove the aging sign on the face and give the brightness. Banana have potassium which helps in maintaining the flow of both oxygen and blood to the skin cells. So here I have taken the banana. Hereafter I think you will not throw like this banana if it changes the color, because this is going to give us more and more benefit. So guys, here I am going to share with you step by step facial method by using the banana, which is a miracle face mask. And here I am going to make the cleanser and then moisturizer, scrubber, and as well as the mask. So here I have make the paste of banana. First of all, come guys, let's start how to make this facial. So first step is cleansing. So first cleansing, here I have taken 1 spoon of banana paste. In this I am going to add 1 to 2 spoon of milk, because milk is contains lactic acid that will deep cleanses the pores and removes the acne causing the bacteria and but accumulate on the surface of the skin during the day. In this I am going to add 1 spoon or few drops of lemon. As you all know guys, lemon is going to be works as a magic on our face. Lemon is contains antioxidant and as well as vitamin C that may helps to reduce the skin damage and premature aging also. So mix three of the ingredients well and then apply on your face. Use a cotton pad like this. With the help of a cotton pad, apply on your face and rub from downward to upward for minimum 1 to 2 minutes. I will not take your more time. If you are not having time, minimum 60 seconds of cleansing that will actually works. So rub like this so that all the dirt will come out from your skin. So after that, my second step it is here I am going to make is scrub. For my second step, how can I forget the main ingredient, that is the sugar. The best is brown sugar. If you are not having brown sugar, you can use the kitchen sugar, which is the white sugar which is available in your kitchen itself. So sugar is going to work as a best scrubber for exfoliating your skin, and also it is a natural humectant. So in this I am going to add, to make it the best and best, which is gram flour. Gram flour which is known as besan. So gram flour, as you all know the benefits of gram flour, it is certain properties that will treat for the acne and also used in the purpose of India and other countries also. It will fight with infections on the face to erupt with acne also, and also it will control the excess oil. To make a proper mixture, here I am going to add 1 spoon of milk and same 1 teaspoon of our main ingredient, that is banana paste. Mix all these ingredients well. So after mixing all these ingredients, you need to scrub on your face for minimum 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes is very important, not less than 2 minutes, because I know you all will be tired. Rub it slowly and gently, because here we have added sugar. If you rub harshly, maybe chances of scars on your face. So come guys, my last step, which is face pack. For making a face pack, here I have taken our main ingredient, which is banana mixture. In banana mixture, here I am going to add milk powder. You can add any of the milk powder which is available nearby you, because milk powder is going to act as a cleanser and also it will gives you youthful glow to your skin, because milk powder is having lactic acid and it will lighten and smoothen the skin. So our milk is also having the same thing, because here I am adding the milk to make it a proper texture to our pack. Here I have taken 1 to 2 spoon of milk, and then in this I am going to add my next ingredient, which is lemon. Lemon is having vitamin C and also it will works as a bleaching property also. Here I have taken 1 spoon of lemon. So mix it well, and then I am going to add in it honey. Honey will fight with the acne because honey is having natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that will helps to heal the breakouts of acne and also prevent from extra infection also. And also it will work as a great moisturizer and gentle exfoliator also. So mix all these ingredients well and then apply on your face until it is getting dry. Minimum will take 20 to 30 minutes. Don't be hurry burry. This is our last step. And then wash it off with normal luke water. You can apply this mask on your face, on your necks, hands and feet also to get best result, because banana is an excellent thing. I hope this will be very useful remedy for you. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share among your friends and family members. Thank you. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye.